In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Ninjatrader Workspace. By the end, you'll know exactly how to save a copy of your setup so you can keep a backup, move it to another computer, or share it with a teammate. A workspace in Ninjatrader is simply your layout, the charts you have open, their positions, and how your windows are organized. Exporting it creates a single file you can store safely and use later. First, open Ninjatrader 8 and make sure the workspace you want to export is open and active. This matters because you'll be selecting it in just a moment, and having it visible helps you confirm it's the right one. Now look at the Control Center, which is the main command window in Ninjatrader. Along the top, you'll see the menu bar. Click Workspaces. This opens a list of your existing workspaces so you can choose exactly which one or ones to export. Next, hover your mouse over the name of the workspace you want to export. When you hover, a small menu appears with options related to that workspace. Select Export. This tells Ninjatrader that you want to package that workspace into a file. An export window will appear. Here, you'll see checkboxes next to your available workspaces. Confirm the one you want is checked. If you're exporting more than one, feel free to check multiple boxes. This step ensures only the layouts you choose are included. When you're ready, click Export. You'll be prompted to give the file a name and choose a save location. Use a clear, descriptive name, something like Day Trading Workspace 2026-02-27, so you can easily recognize it later. Choose a folder you'll remember, such as Documents, Desktop, or a dedicated Ninjatrader Backups folder. If you use cloud storage, saving there can make the file easy to access across devices, but pick a location that fits your workflow. Once you save, Ninjatrader will create the export file. That's it. You've successfully exported your workspace. It's a simple process, but a powerful habit. Exporting regularly protects your layout from accidental changes, software updates, or switching machines. It also gives you peace of mind knowing your preferred setup is only a file away. Let's quickly recap. Make sure your workspace is open. Go to the Control Center and click Workspaces. Hover over the workspace name and choose Export. Check the workspace in the Export window, then click Export. Name the file and save it to a folder you trust. Follow these steps, and you'll always have a clean copy of your Ninjatrader workspace ready whenever you need it.